Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. Here is red color. The second one is blue color, pink color, parrot color, green color, purple color, yellow color, and the last one is orange color. Now let's color the unicorn. How many unicorns can you see on the screen? Here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 unicorns.